How to create a Substack blog 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Substack and how you're going to be writing a blog for it. So, to write a blog on Substack, there's different ways you can do this, but the main method is to go over to your dashboard and just start writing. So, what you do, come over here. You can either add a post and just start your blog from there, because mostly that is how a blog works. So, click here, new post. Now, it could be a text post, video post, audio post, whatever you want. I'm going to go with text post, okay? And once we're over here, go ahead and write something in for your blog, whatever you want to. So, tell them about your day and, just write whatever you want. And then once you have, written your main consistent details, just simply go ahead, click on continue, click on send to everyone now, and that basically publishes your proper deployment of a Substack blog. So that is how you're going to be creating a Substack blog for yourself. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.